on the directions of Secretary District Legal Service Authority Ganderbal Mr. Babar Hussain and under the chairmanship of Chairman Tehsil Legal Services Committee Kangan Miss Mufti Nahida, the Tehsil Legal Services Committee Kangan in collaboration with Human Rights and Anti-Corruption Forum Jammu and Kashmir observed Legal Awareness Program on Constitution Day at Government Degree College Kangan. The program was attended by Chairperson Tehsil Legal Services Committee Kangan Miss Mufti Nahida, Chairperson Child Welfare Committee Ganderbal Mrs. Shabana Hamid, SDPO Kangan, Shri. Farooq Ahmad Khatana Sent Wing President Human Rights and Anti-Corruption Forum Jammu and Kashmir, staff members and students of Government Degree College Kangan, students and PLVs of TLSC Kangan.
The people of India,
People of India,
we have to repeat it.
yes.
The people of India,
The people of India,
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity arising from the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our constitution, assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give ourselves this constitution.
यहाँ पे आएंगे उनसे गुजारिश रहेगी कि वो वक्त का खास ख्याल रखें, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं जज साहब का वक्त कीमती होता है और जो भी हमारे गेस्ट हैं उनका वक्त बहुत कीमती है, इसलिए यहाँ पे जो भी बुलाया जाए उसको वक्त का खास ख्याल रखना है.
या नबी नजर करम फरमाना, या नबी नजर करम फरमाना, ए हसनैन किनाना, ए हसनैन किनाना, ए हसनैन किनाना, ए हसनैन किनाना, सारे पाक के सदके हमको तैबा में बुलवाना, ए हसनैन किनाना, ए हसनैन किनाना.
ज़मीर गुन से उगाता है जो ज़मीन और ज़मन, वही तो है जो हवाओं को देके इसमें इकराम, समंदरों की जमीन पे उभारता है शिगन, जो बंदगी को हिदायत का नूर देता है, जो आगे को सिखाता है. कसम खस्मत मार चोने Navantam kasm khesmat mar chuni Dulan yeli sheikh jahan taskun nazar bhai, Dulan yeli sheikh jahan taskun nazar bhai, Laban chus har taraf izhar chuni, Laban chus har taraf izhar chuni, That zakas asman shunya or enhur, Zakas asman shunya or enhur, Chulalun yet zameen as bar chuni, Chulalun yet zameen as bar chuni.
The August gathering we have gathered here. A very good afternoon and assalamu alaikum to all of you. We have gathered here to celebrate this Constitution Day. Constitution Day, which has an immense ideas and reflections which our forefathers have reflected and have just put on the paper. That is what Constitution is. Constitution has marked a new dawn in the era of our nation, a new dawn in the era of, it's a reflection of our ideals, it's a reflection of our freedoms that has been put on the paper by our forefathers, and it's not just a document, it's a reflection. It's the reflection of the vision. It's the reflection of how we have got freedom on 15th of August 1947. That's one freedom. And lots of freedoms and rights on 26th of November 1949. It is just the celebration we do of Constitution as Republic Day. Republic Day